My name is Cheryl from BookWidgets, and in today's teacher tip, I will show you how your students can star questions. Students will be able to activate or click a star next to a question in a quiz, worksheet, video quiz, or split worksheet. They may use this to indicate questions that they may want to return to or complete for review. The student merely clicks on the star to activate the star, indicating that they will want to return to this question at some point in the future, either to review or to ensure that they have completed the question in full. Students can easily click the round question information marker in the upper right corner of the widget to see an overview of questions that they have starred or questions that they have missed. These starred and incomplete questions will highlight with a star and/or a white circle if the question is incomplete. Students will still be prompted if they have any unanswered questions prior to submitting their work. Want more teacher tips? Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more BookWidgets Teacher Tips.